So I have a bot in my bot builder with the keyword as basic, and now when I'm actually sending the basic keyword, my bot is not triggering at all. So let me send a message now and see why is it not triggering, or we need to figure out why the bot is not triggering here. So my message has been sent but the bot did not trigger. So there can be two reasons for this. The very first reason is whenever a human agent is assigned to a chat or to a contact, you can see if the agent is assigned or not. You can see a initial here. So whenever a human agent is assigned to a contact, at that point of time the automations of bot flow won't work. So bot will not intervene whenever a human is basically replying to the user. So how to remove this user agent? You need to go to the inbox, go to the particular chat, and then click on these three dots, click on mark as done. Now once the human agent has been unassigned, you can see that now there is no agent icon here. Then the bot should work. The second option to unassign a human agent is you can go to the CRM, click on this three dots and click on mark as done all. So all of your contacts would be unassigned from any team member or any agent, and then the bot can intervene for all of them. So after this, in most of the cases your bot should start working. Secondly, you can also check if your trigger keyword condition is correct. So you can see here that my incoming message condition is basic. A lot of times customers mistake with contain, start with, end with, and all these things. So you need to double check your condition, and then you can try the bot again. So I have sent a message right now to the same number to see if the bot is working. And now let us go to the inbox, and we can see that as soon as this user has sent a message, the bot has taken over. Now as there's an active bot is already active, if you go and see the conversation, the bot won't stop. But if you reply to the conversation, the bot is going to stop by default. So if you have replied, now the bot won't intervene in between your conversation with the end user till you mark the chat as done. Thank you.